Right, what I'm going to do is I am going to make the mechanical penetrators for the new ballast tank. So I'm going to need a vent and a high pressure air blow. So that's going to need 4 penetrations through the hull, which is annoying, but anyway, there we go. So the tanks are going to go here, and I'm thinking that I've got 2 options. I either do the vents the same as the standard vents, and I could put valves, fit the valves on the outside like there, but it would mean a bit of a crossover of pipe work, which might be a bit of a nuisance. I don't know, it might be okay. Oh, shut up. Or the other thing I thought that I could do is I could actually put the valves, 2 valves, one on either end of the penetrator, sorry, of the ballast tank, and I could make a penetrator, put it, say, maybe there, which could then operate each of the valves. That is an option. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 standard K350 5/8 hull penetrators, and I'll just have a look, see what I've got. So here I've got a couple of blanks that I've actually sort of started machining. What is annoying is I know that somewhere I've actually got one of these penetrators, because I made an extra one, and of course I can't find it. So I've had to fish out the plans. These are the original plans, and Ruby, what are you doing? So this is 3-inch long. Let's just see if these are right. Everything's in imperial measurements, so that's 3-inch, and that is as well, so that's correct. And what's the size of that? 1 1/4 inch. What is that? 1.2. No, it is. Yeah. Switch to colour chalk. Millimetre, and to take it down, start to take it down to near 16. Now there's something wrong with the coolant pump. There's always something wrong, isn't there? Shop air. I'll get this engine decrease, I should do it, hopefully. Put that in. Hey, that's better. Right, this is the second one. I'm having to drill it from both ends because I've only got these stumper drills with this carbide or titanium, whatever it is, nitride coating thingy. My old metalwork teacher at school used to go mad if you did that. If you left it like that. To this day, I don't know what he was moaning about. Right, this is 13, it's the biggest one I got. use this 16mm taper shank machine reamer. Right. Okay. Bit of the green slop. Those are now reamed out to 16mm. Let's measure it. I'm just going to put a little chamfer on. So I finished making these two new hull penetrators, and I just was going to test them with a 5/8 bar, because that's the idea, is you ream a 16mm hole and it'll then take a 5/8 bar. But I didn't have one. I haven't got any 5/8 bar. But this is the rudder control on Jodie B, and that part welded into the hull is one of these. So theoretically, that should slide over there with no slop, which it does. Now I've still got to put in 2 O-ring grooves.
Right, I just thought I'd show you a couple of models that I've been doing. I've modelled up Skadoc, as you can see. So this is the hull as I've got it now, with no modifications at all. Now I'm going to show you the tanks. This is just an idea so far. I'm pretty sure that'll work. Gives plenty of reserve buoyancy, but I'm not really keen on the look, and to be honest, those round bits would be quite difficult to make in reality. So I might try some different models. I don't know, try some different shapes. This is the one I did last week, I think, so I've modified it now to put a dome on the front, kind of like in this one. This is a 3-foot pressure hull, sort of K350 style, although it isn't, a lot thicker hull. And then let's have a look at this one. This is the small one. I put a dome on the bow. Not really keen on that deck. It didn't really look right, but there needs to be a deck of some sort. I've spaced the battery pods out quite a bit in order to allow the motors to fit in between them. I think I'll just switch this thing off like that, and then you can see they look like they're really far apart, but it's actually only about 1.5 meters from there to there, and that's simply because it is such a small pressure hull design. But anyway, they're just ideas, just thinking at the moment.